Let's take a look here now at Google Sheets scenario 2. In this scenario, Rosa is working with her PLC to analyze data from a recent assessment. And she wants to analyze it in a couple different ways. She wants to see which students pass, have a overall passing score, and she also wants to create a chart so she can visually represent student achievement here. So let's go and take a look at some ways you can use Google Sheets to do this. One way we can start here with this version is what we'll do is we'll average all of their test scores here. So the first thing you do is select the first 4 tests here, and I'm going to come up here to my function button. I'm going to select average, then push enter, and then it's going to suggest that I do the same thing for all of these. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the check mark so I can autofill, and it gives me the average for all the students' scores there. So one thing that I can do with this, if I want to create a chart to visually represent this, I can select all my data right here, go to insert, go to chart, and it's going to give me a chart here. If I don't like this one here, I can go over here to chart type, and maybe I want to do this one here, and you give a variety of different charts that you can choose from. So another way that you can use Sheets to analyze this, I'm going to go ahead and close this part down right here. Go ahead and go back to the beginning. Is if I want to show just students with a passing score. So if you determine that your passing score is 70% or higher, then I just want to see the students who have a 70% average here. So let me go ahead and average this again real quick. In this case here, let's do a quick fill down. So I just want to see the kids who have an average of 70% or higher. I want to see the ones who are passing. So I'm going to select this data in this column right here. And then I'm going to come over here to data. I'm going to go to create a filter. Try that again. There we go. And then I'm going to come here. It puts a little button right here. That's the filter button. And I'm going to do by condition. So I'm going to select, in this case here, greater than or equal to. And I want that to be 70. I only want to see the kids with 70% or higher. Click OK, and watch what happens. Only the students with 70% or higher are showing. I can do something similar. If I do, we can say less than or equal to 70. I can see all the students who are, in this case, are failing. So again, just a couple different ways you can analyze student data and assessment grades using Google Sheets.